Brett has increased by 26% overnight. It's a new meme coin that has an extreme hype, but will we continue to see rising prices, and what is Brett's potential for this bull run? In this video, I will talk about Brett and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. There I share daily analysis of Bitcoin, Breton, and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So as mentioned earlier, Brett has risen over 25% in the last 24 hours. This meme coin is ranked 79 among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of 1.4 billion USD. Currently, Brett is rising extremely and it is the 7th largest meme coin in the crypto world. One extreme advantage of Brett is the circulating supply of over 99%. That means almost all of Brett's coins are already in circulation, which means that no new coins will be added. And the offer remains stable. So with increasing demand, the coin arm explode. This is also a very bullish sign that broad support enjoys extreme hype, even though it is not even listed on major exchanges like Binance. This means if we get the Binance listing, the chance that this coin will explode is even higher. And if you want to buy a board, you can gladly do it through Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC, no VPN trading platform. You can find the link to Bitunix in the description. And if we broadly look at the daily timeframes, we can clearly see that we are in an uptrend. Of course, today we formed a new all-time high, which means the chart looks extremely bullish and the chance that we see further rising prices is extremely high. On the 4-hour time frame, we can also see that after this retracement to the downside, we formed a higher low and then continued the bullish trend to the upside, which is a very bullish sign. We have the next price target at 16 cents for Brett and the higher price target at 22 cents. And I think there's an extremely high chance that we will reach these prices, can achieve in the near future. Currently, a lot of money is flowing into meme coins, and I think that in this bull run, alongside AI, the meme coins will also explode. So I think we generally have extremely high potential for the meme coin. And I think the board with the 7th place is currently very well served and we can expect to see higher prices. That means if we were to reach a market capitalization of paper, there would be a 4x potential in it for Brett. And I think that during the bull run, we could see up to a 10x for Brett. I'm thinking of market cap of about $10 billion would still be realistic. Personally, I would not invest all my money in Brett. Invest because I am not the biggest fan of meme coins because they are not fundamentally strong, but money only comes in because an extreme number of people invest in this coin. And thus it is naturally difficult to invest long term and also have clear exit points. Find. Because of course, if this coin, then to the downside level, also extremely fine. This means market timing is extremely important for meme coins, especially those that are currently exploding there, and they are not as established as, for example, Dogecoin. That means I would enjoy Brett with caution and always take profits from the market when we reach certain goals. However, I am currently very bullish on the entire crypto market. If we look at Bitcoin, we are again in a bullish upward movement. And if we break through this last supply zone and this all-time high, the chance is extremely high that we will see an explosion and go into price discovery. And with that, the chance would naturally be extremely high that Alper, like Brett or all other altcoins, have the chance to rise. And if you don't want to miss any trading signals, join my exclusive trading signal group. I share real-time trading signals there and also my crypto spot purchases. Second link in the description. So in summary, I think Brett has extremely high potential for this bull run. You should always view the memecoins with a certain skepticism and also definitely taking profits from the market because it is also an extremely contained risk. So folks, thank you very much for watching. I wish you a lot of success in trading and we'll see each other in the next video.